what is up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to unbox the first exhaust fan on my channel, which is the Crompton Ventilus exhaust fan 200 brown color. So this is the fan's box. So I'll show you. Ventilus high speed 200 ventilating fan, brown color. So as you can see, here are some features. This fan is manufactured in Buddy Solon, and yeah, as you can see, this fan is manufactured in Buddy Solon. So now let's unbox this fan. The box is open. Now let me open the box. So as you can see, this is the box. I'll tell you one thing, this plug is not included with the fan. I got this separately. So yeah. So after we unbox this, we have here the instruction cum warranty card, as you can see. I'll keep this aside. Now let me take out the exhaust fan. So it is a brown color exhaust fan, as you can see. If you can see, this is a brown color exhaust fan. Let me just open it. So as you can see, here are the shutters of the fan, as you can see, the gravity shutters. Here is the label of the fan. See, okay, tested. So the quality seems to be really good. Let me just remove this front cover. I'll take off this front cover and show it to you guys. Here is the wire of it. As you can see, this is the wire of the fan. I'll show the wire too. You can see now I have to off the brown cover, means the green, and this is the fan. As you can see, it looks too good, and the blades are really good quality, as you can see. And for the comparison, here is my old garbage exhaust fan, which did not even have a net. See. Now tell me which one looks good. I'll show you which one looks better. I know this one is broken, but the blades are exposed, and because of that this thing broke. The blades are not exposed in this one, so the blades will not break. So this thing completely piece of garbage, and as I do it just broke, as you can see. But this is the new fan, as you can see. And yeah, now I will install this. There is a test run of my fan. As you can see, it is really powerful. Here is our exhaust fan. This is out of the topic for today, but this is also getting installed. So there is my exhaust fan, and my dad is helping to install this exhaust fan, as you can see. I have sparked the holes in the frame. Now they will install. As you can see, the frame is installed. Now I have to install these plates and the net. So let me do my work now. The motor is working, so I'll install everything. I'll show you the motor phone. You can see, this is the motor. See, as you can see. Now let me install the blades and everything. now completely installed, as you can see. Now let's do a test run. As you can see, it is a really powerful exhaust fan, and compared to my old one, this is really powerful. As you can see, I'll show you. As you can see, now this is the exhaust fan, and it is not that loud compared to my old exhaust fan, as you can see. Those are the flaps. You can see this fan is running really good, as you can see. Now let me turn off the fan. And this looks really good, and this safety grill is really good thing. Means if nothing can go inside this and destroy. And this net is also really high quality, and this also looks good. So now I'll do a noise test with this fan and my other two exhaust fan in my house. So let's do that. Use the suction power of this fan using this piece of paper. Now the fan is on, and see this. It is completely stiff. See, this is the suction power of it. So yeah, the fan is really good. Let me do a noise test on this now, and I'll compare with my other exhaust fans. This fan is a really good quality fan. Let me turn it off. It is a really good quality fan. You can buy it. The quality is really good. And yeah, it even looks good. So yeah guys, if you like this video, like, share, subscribe my channel. Till then, bye bye.